I was surprised because we never solved one-step equations, did we? We never even solved two-step equations. We went straight to variables on both sides. So I was surprised, period one, how many people don't know how to solve these problems. So let me just go through that real quick. If you have a plus, the opposite of adding a positive number is adding a negative number. So I'm going to add -3 on both sides. And when I add -3 to both sides of this inequality, I get x is greater than, and 7 take away 3 is 4. Okay, tell me if I'm going too fast. So, x is greater than 4. Well, what numbers are greater than 4? How about 5? How about 6? How about 4.5? How about 4.1? How about 4.000000001? Yes, that's more than 4, right? It's only a teeny bit more than 4, but all those numbers are more than 4. So here's one difference. On an inequality, there's multiple solutions, right? Well, how do we represent those solutions? We draw a number line. So if this is my number line, I'll make it pretty basic. Let's put 0 in the middle. That way you have negatives on one side, positives on the other. Where would 4 be? Well, 4 is like on this side somewhere. We'll put a 4. Now, it has to be greater than 4. If it could be 4, oh, sorry, Noel. Sorry you can't see the whiteboard. If it could be 4, then I'd put a dot right here. But since if it said x equals 4, that would look like a dot. But since it's not x equals 4, I can't have a dot, so instead I put a donut. You could also call it an open circle or whatever you want to call it. And now it's all the numbers on this side of that. Now, if you don't have multiple colored pens like I do, I usually just draw the line above the number line so you can still see it like that. Just draw the arrow above it, and that solves the problem of not having another color. Oh, good, Noel. I'm glad it's working out better. So, solving an inequality is a lot like equations. It's the same kinds of steps, usually. I'll get to the difference in steps in just a minute, okay? But normally it's the same. Let's take a look at this other one. We never really went over how to solve a problem with a fraction, but the fraction means division. It means x divided by 4. The opposite of division is multiplication. I always use parentheses to represent multiplication on solving, okay? So I'm going to multiply by 3 on both sides. There's going to be a 3 here and a 3 there. So these 3's cross cancel. I'm left with x is less than or equal to -4 times 3 is a -12. If you can't see that, it says x is less than or equal to -12.